everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys are new to my channel, I make videos on crochet mostly, sometimes macrame too. But I just love all kind of DIYs. Also, I love adding miniatures to my apartment. I collected them from different sources and makes me so happy with the small details around my house. So for this video, I decided to make some of them on my own today. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. So today's video is a very light and refreshing rather than my other tutorials. Some fun and quick ideas to kill your free time. I got this air dry clay after a long time and I wanted to make some clay decor for my mini garden area with some extra elements like these sticks, some aluminium wire and some colors. Before starting, please do subscribe and like the video and keep me motivated for new videos every week. Let's make our first DIY. This air dry clay is very convenient. I have already used it long time ago on my videos as I'm not a clay artist, but I found it very easy for beginners. I will link the product on the description below. Once you open the packet, just take out a little amount. Make sure to store the rest in a Ziploc or an airtight container. You can use any kind of ruler to flatten the clay like this and wrap it around the stick. And if you find it difficult to stick, just use some water. Water acts magically in case of air dry clay. Also, to blend the edges, just rub some water and smoothen it up. I'm making a mushroom over here. I do not want my edges very smooth. I just wanted to keep it all natural. Also, to attach one piece with another, just make some little wound and apply some water and it will work like a glue. Keep them to dry upright like this to maintain the shape. Keep them overnight and should be enough. Then you can color them with any designs you like. I normally use acrylic color, but any other color can be used. And that's it. Now you can have some pop-up colors to your flower tubs to make your garden looks more lively and attractive. I hope you like them. Let's move on to the second DIY. I had no idea if my idea is gonna work or not, but let's give it a try. This time I'm using this aluminium wire to give it a shape like a snake. This is really easy to bend and give shape. Once you're satisfied with the shape, just use the clay and wrap it around the wire. And blend the edges like this. And this is how it looks. Quite satisfied with the outcome. But let's see how it will look after the finishing touch. As it is to be decorated in my garden, I painted in green color. You can paint it in different color if you want it to be highlighted more. And look how aesthetic it looks. I just loved how it turned out. Let me know how you guys think about it. Moving on to our last one. Honestly, I am not very good with clay, so I could not make them very smooth. But anything made by your own hands always have the soft corner to a heart. So I personally love all of them. So last one, I'm trying to make a tiny hut, a tiny house. No measurements, no ruler, just with my bare hands, I'm trying to make 4 sides of a house. On 2 sides, I'm just making a small window. Just assemble them all with water and keeping the light in the middle and seal the four sides. And on top, just placing a thin sheet with no sharp edges, just like those Tinkerbell huts in the jungle. Let it dry properly and turned out to be the cutest. It looked really cute at night, but I could not make a video of the night look. But I hope you guys like this really light and refreshing video for this week. Do not forget to subscribe and see you on my next week's video. Bye bye.